Hey there, Mrs. Pierce here. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself to you. I teach math lab and pre-algebra and algebra here at the middle school, and you may or may not have noticed that your child has math lab added to their schedule recently. I think it shows up like period 0, just like the rest of their specials. But here's how it's going to work. They won't have a scheduled class necessarily for math lab, but I will be offering math help sessions. And so the way that they get there is they would go on to this course that they will now see in Schoology. It's my tie-dye, actually it's my tie-dye background that you see right now. And it just says Math Help with Mrs. Pierce, and it reminds them that it's going to be Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, 2:10 to 2:45. And so it's also on the page. So Math Lab office hours, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2:10 to 2:45. And all they need to do is click here, and then they will join my Zoom. And so this is the first time that we're offering Math Lab via office hours, and we'll kind of see how it goes. I want to make it whatever's going to work for your child and for the rest of the students that join. So if they have questions, that is fantastic. They can come on, ask me questions. I can help them out. Maybe they don't have questions. They can still log on and listen to other students' questions, and that might help them as well. So your child was chosen for Math Lab based on IXL diagnostic score and just how they're performing in math class right now. So your child's teacher thought that maybe they could use an extra support. So as always, they could join their teacher's office hours depending on what days they are offered, as well as mine. So hopefully I will see them. Please encourage your child, if they need math help, to join me. Again, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2:10 to 2:45, and they just need to click here to join. If you have any questions, just ask your child for their iPad and tell them to get on to the Math Help Schoology course, and my email is right there that you can email me any questions that you have. All right, I hope to see your child soon. This will start next week so it'll start next Wednesday. See you later.